Well, this is another example from the booths China, the Fresian A8022 design. Made, we think these are 1940s actually, because two of them have got 1947, 7 and 8 for the month, and 47 for the year on the impress marks on the back. The booth's China mark itself, the Fresian mark there, the A8022, was used from 1912. These have got some linear glaze crazing on them, affecting almost all of the 6 that we're offering. No staining on them at all. They're nice and clean, but they have, as I say, front and rear got a little bit of fine glaze crazing, linear crazing, where it's just cracked through away from the porcelain because of the different thermal dynamics of the glaze to the underlying earthenware. Very well decorated. Booth's Fresian is this lovely stylized burgundy red printed design. Then decorators come along with this rich dark cobalt and infill various different bits, so no two exactly the same, down to the use of the brush. Lighter blue, pastely sort of pale blue on the little flowers, almost like forget-me-nots. These very fine examples. Nice deep scalloped rim, a little bit of moulding around the rims as well, quite a shallow side plate. As I say, we've got 6 of these available going on catalogue for sale, together with desserts plates, dinner plates, and we've also got some quite on the small side rim soup bowls. They're not overly the sort of 10.5 inch you expect the size of dinner plates. They're more the size of dessert plates, but they are nice rimmed English soup bowls. We've got 4 of those coming on catalogue as well, so watch out for them. Follow the link description below in YouTube, directly through to the Vintage and Antiques website, where these little side plates are available for sale right now. Thanks for watching.